So far this autumn, I have really been struggling with not feeling like myself. I've been feeling both tired and restless, and I've not really been able to focus on anything. And all this chaos in my head, it has materialized as my house being really messy as well. And also I've been really forgetting to do important daily tasks. So I have tried to do more things to reconnect with myself and to feel more grounded. According to me, the absolute best thing for reconnecting with yourself is to connect with nature. Just to spend some time outside, alone or with friends. That's the absolute best thing. And if you can spend some time with animals, that's a really big plus as well. Going for a hike, especially somewhere you haven't been before, will stimulate your senses and help you to connect to your body and to the moment. And taking deep breaths of that crisp forest air always makes me feel like a completely new person. But sometimes, just having a heartfelt conversation with people you love can be the only thing you need to feel a little bit more like yourself. Another thing I recommend when feeling a bit lost is doing something creative. Just take a moment, sit down, make a cup of tea, light some candles, and do something creative that you like. And while you're creating something, try to turn down any judgmental thoughts about whether it looks good or not. Beauty is neither the point or the goal. Just relax, take a deep breath, and let your soul speak. Please let me know if you try any of these things and if they made you feel more connected to yourself. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.